affluent Banya families for matrimonial alliance? Who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. I know, for marriage alliance, you don't need 1,000 profiles. You just need the right one, so watch this video till the end. This is Pragati. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Banya Elite Marriage Bureau come Elite Wedding Planners. An elite Banya Marriage Bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows and physically challenged females from respected Banya families. A marriage bureau for an elite and affluent Banya families passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every Banya elite family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 11,100 rupees only. An elite Banya Marriage Bureau which is not only limited to Banya bridegroom matchmaking services but also arranges wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything, from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing elite class Banya weddings. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. In Banya community, the number of millionaires is growing. Don't we all think that having more money will solve all our problems? Not always. When it comes time to finding a perfect Banya life partner for your son or daughter, it is like separating the gold diggers from the genuine ones. Do they love me for me or are they after me for my money? One of the troubling findings is that money is actually a barrier in searching a right life partner for the uber wealthy Banya families. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Banya community, some people meet their life partners easily, and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Banya community. In good old days, Banya elite marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests, or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for an elite Banya life partner has been taken up by elite Banya marriage bureaus or elite Banya marriage consultancy. Today I will introduce you an elite matrimonial service provider for Banya community, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the elite Banya families in India and abroad for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages for Banya community, but the marriage bureau who have changed the concept of Banya elite partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services. Imagine an elite Banya marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Now coming to today's topic. If you are an ultra-rich business person, industrialist, manufacturer, constructor, developer, jeweler, or a top-notch professional from Banya community and you are looking for a suave and affluent bridegroom similar to your own status, then Dharma Vedic Matrimonial Service Private Limited can help you in finding that perfect elite match. Very briefly, I am telling you what an elite Banya family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Banya community. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Banya elite matchmaking services. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose an elite Banya life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood elite Banya marriage bureau to help you find the right Banya match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in India and abroad. We are dedicated to providing superior customer customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Banya community. That's why 9 out of 10 Banya clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Banya community. Dharma Vedic Banya Elite membership top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up an elite Banya client for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our elite clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We do not keep any elite Banya profile online. This is why, because the socio-economic status of the Banya elite families demands a certain level of privacy. All elite profiles are shared via our secure app. The app hosted on secure servers are not open to anyone except to verified clients. There is no option for random elite Banya profile searching. We personally upload matching profiles for every Banya elite client, and only those are visible to that particular client. Number 3. We have a large elite database of profiles from Banya community, and our services are 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Banya community. Number 4. Our Banya elite matchmaking services fee ranges starting from 11,100 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. Now coming to the last, what are the eligibility criteria to be served as an elite Banya matchmaking services? So friends and parents, one needs to belong to the category of the rich and affluent, since that's what elite members seek. Our Banya elite and affluent members also expect a certain net worth. Dharma Vedic Banya elite members includes high net worth individuals, leading entrepreneurs, industrialists, celebrities in various fields, and professionals in senior management positions from Banya community. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing elite Banya weddings in India and abroad. So parents, it's high time now to find an elite Banya bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Banya elite matchmaking process in India and abroad. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically challenged female from Banya community who is struggling to find best groom for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them. I am Pragati. They can directly call me on 8828952895. Again, I am repeating the number 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.